We all agree that clothing is one of the basic necessities of life. The textile and fashion industry is worth $1.5 trillion worldwide, with the majority of the profit reaching only the company shareholders and brands. Those at the start of the supply chain are unfairly paid. Working long hours in dismal conditions, they are paid unfairly at an average of only $1.83 per day. This is the price of only one French fries in the USA. India is the second largest producer of fiber in the world. The availability of raw materials, such as cotton, wool and silk, makes India a sourcing hub. Most importantly, this industry in India currently generates employment for more than 35 million people. But this highly competitive market pushes the handloom communities to the bottom of the pyramid, exploited by stakeholders in the value chain, to increase profit margins. Our model is simple and inspired by slow fashion. We source the richest and finest textiles from India by partnering with Indian weavers communities and translate them into emotionally desirable global fashion products. Profits will be fairly distributed to create welfare at all levels and to scale the social business for wider impact. Our first clothing line offering will include fashion wear for women. We would have products for both the mass and niche markets. Tales of Yarn, a community interest company based in the UK, desires to be a sustainable social business, a socially conscientious partner with a lean supply chain. The social business aims to provide communities with fairer wages by empathetically engaging with them under ethical business practices. We also envision to be driven by quality and heritage. Our cooperative in India will work with and for the handloom weaver communities. Both organizations will have an asset lock which would be reinvested for business growth and increasing welfare of the communities. We will improve living conditions of the handloom weavers who will be able to enjoy the benefits of a fairer wage, and a raft of socio-economic incentives, including allowing them to take time off work, to be with family. We aim to measure our impact through the following SROI metric. 1. Positive changes in handloom weavers' lifestyle. 2. Positive changes in community development, and 3. Positive changes in the planet. In order to start up our social enterprise, a total financing of $123,100 is required, of which we will have found a contributing initial $5,000 to initiate the project off ground to meet early finance needs. The money will be used to cover the necessary startup expenses and to acquire startup assets. We will reach break-even cash flow by 12th month of the company's operation, and from that point on we start raising equity. From end of second year we start having positive net profits. After that, we operate as a self-sustaining social enterprise. And finally by third year our loans are repaid. We are looking for investors who share our passion for the ethical fashion and expect the initial funding to come from grants, impact investors, angel investors and venture philanthropists.